Today I will show you how to send money to Kenya through Remitly, and if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, if you'd like to get started with Remitly, please do not forget to check out the link in the description below. And you can do this in two ways. You can either do it on a desktop or through your mobile phone by downloading the Remitly app. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to be doing it on the desktop. Now, the moment you click on send money, this is how it should appear on your desktop. Now, what we want to do is we want to input the amounts that we want to send to Kenya. Now, you can see this is my currency. And the good thing about sending through the desktop is if you're from a different country and you'd like to change the currency that you're sending from, all you can do is click on this button here and click on settings. And once you scroll down, you can change the country here, and it's gonna give you the currency of the country that you changed to. So let's input $100 here. See, you have a flat fee, and let's click on continue. Now on the next page, it's gonna ask how you'd like the receiver to receive the money, which is through mobile networks, or you can use bank deposits or cash pickup or deposits through a debit card. Now, for the purpose of this video, we're going to choose mobile money. And for the purpose of this video, we're going to choose M-Pesa. Now, it's going to ask you the name of the recipient. It's going to ask you for the number of the recipient. And it's going to ask if you'd like the recipient to receive notification. We're going to click on no thanks. And the next page is going to ask for your name and your date of birth. And we're going to click on continue. We're going to confirm. And it's going to ask for your address. And it's going to ask for your phone number. And the next is going to be where you're going to send the money through, which is your bank account. And it's going to show you a summary of the transaction. And it's going to send the money. Now that's how to send money to Kenya through Remitly. And if you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.